Welcome to my channel. My name is Faye. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. So this is a collab video between Dede and Nat. These ladies are also members of the Faithful Fab 9 collab group. And Nat realized that all three of us had the Makeup Revolution Bird of Paradise palette. And so she asked if I wanted to do a collab. And I said, sure. I love this palette. And so she picked the rose. We didn't, we don't, I'm going to put it like that. But so she picked the rose of which row we going to use for our makeup look. I have the top row. This is a palette. Beautiful, right? This is the top row. This is the row I'm going to use. Dede's row and Nat's row. So the ladies' channels are always in my description box below because they are a part of the Faithful Fab 9. I suggest you, I would advise you and like for you to go over and check out their looks. Just check them out. Visit, say hi. Say I came over from Faye channel just to say hi. So anyway, thought I had my glasses on. Anyway, I have going to start. Let me unplug this before things happen. Okay. Yeah. So I'm putting the orange in the crease and above. I'm putting the blue in the crease and above. The dark blue is just going in the crease along with the blue glitter, and the pink is going on my lid, and the pink shimmer is going, well, burgundy, whatever, berry is going on as a liner, not replacing the liner, but as a liner. So now I'm going in to do the blue. I think I'm gonna hold that one for the next one. Okay, the blue, the light blue. I'm doing the light blue right now, which is going in the crease. I'm moving my hand down. Going in the crease. And the other blue, the darker blue, is just going in the crease across. I'm going to put in the blue first, the blue glitter on here first, because I don't want it falling down on the pink. This is like a sky blue. Right. So now I'm doing the darker blue. And I'm just going to put that in the crease. It's so pretty. And I'm going to put that, the blue glitter on top of that. And the pink at the bottom on my lid. I don't know if y'all can see that, but I definitely can. Can y'all see that? I'm going to get another brush and just make it more precise in there. I mean, I could see it, but I want it a little darker. Deeper. Not darker, deeper. Alrighty. That's pretty good. Now I'm going to put some glue in my crease. So this this glitter hopefully all of it won't fall on my lid. Oh my goodness, I do glue, even do glue crooked. Look at that. Oh my goodness. What was I thinking? What was I doing? Girl. I'm going to take that same brush. Hopefully it's not dry. What's that purple? I'm trying to put some more of this, this blue back on here. And I've taken off just a little bit. Why is everything falling? I usually know the answer to that, but at this moment I don't. Alright. Girl, I have glue all right here. I get over there. I don't know. Alright, so let me do the other one. I'm just using my lash glue because I'm not going to have it on here that long. Put that on. Like so. I have to get me some cold cream to remove the glitter easier. The last time I used glitter, I used a moisturizer to get the glitter off. It did better than just using the makeup remover. I mean, but still, some was there, of course, but it removed a lot of it with the that cream. All right. Ooh, oh, that's pretty. One side, huh? Always mess up, girl. What I'm going to do, I had a Q-tip around here. I don't know what I did with it. I guess I'll use another one. This one is really nice and thin. This one is not so much. And it's too bad because it's glue on there. But anyway, seriously. Oh, I know why. Let me remove this palette. It's falling off the palette. Okay, so I'm going to put on the pink right now. And then I'm going to put the, I am glitter down, seriously. Like I said before, glitter never goes away. Never. I love it though. Okay, I'm doing that. Not my favorite color, you guys know that though. So. Not my favorite color. So I'm going to take, oh, excuse me. Excuse me. I'm going to take a smaller brush. I don't know why my voice got softer and quiet. Girl. It's so thrown off. I'm talking about myself, people. I'm talking about myself. Alright, okay, so I put the red shimmer right here on my lid. Came out pretty nicely. So the only thing I have to do now is decide what lip color to put on, and I'll talk to you about the lady some more. Nat also does panning, and if y'all know how I feel about panning, I got 3 panners: Vamaya, Kalia, and Michaela. Baby. I give them one thing, it'll be gone in 2 days. 1 probably, especially with that little one. Anyway, she does makeup looks, she does unboxings, she also does she has what's is going on, 20 Rush, or Rush 20 or something like that. Read Rush 20, Rush Read 20, something like that they have doing right now, about reading something or the other in 20 days or 30 days or all 20. I don't know. Y'all go over and check it out, you know. And Dede, she does unboxings. She does beautiful tutorials. Seriously, she does. She does beautiful tutorials. She does collabs. She's just a wonderful, wonderful spirited woman. They both are. They both are. I am so blessed. I am so blessed to know all of these ladies. And I want you to go over and please check out their channels. Show them some love. Yeah. Yeah, do that. Do that. See what they came up with their role for their makeup look with this collab. So, I haven't even decided. Mary. Oh, here's a purple pencil. I don't have purple. Okay. Anyway, so I guess I'll just put on this. It was brown. Was not. Never was. Oh, you sharpening. Oh my goodness. That hurt. So let's see what else we have here. Okay. Let's see this. I should have used that one since it's, what does this look like, a gold, huh? Well, at least it doesn't need sharpening. Alright? Doesn't feel like it needs sharpening anyway. And I am glittered down. That's enough of that. I'm glittered down, glitter everywhere. But that's okay. I like it. I like it. And my favorite lip shade as of late, this shade. So pretty. You can look so soft. Boy, did I need that. That's so sad. I needed this lipstick so bad. So this is the finished look. You know, I enjoy doing makeup. I'm not a professional. I just enjoy experimenting and seeing what looks I could come up with. So yeah, I know it's not perfect. No, no one is. Not even on the Canuck person, not either. But you know, some are better than others. Mine is not one of those. I'm just an amateur that loves makeup, playing with makeup. So I hope you guys like this look. I hope all of you are well, taking care of yourself, being safe. Yes, be safe. Safe, safe, safe. There's contact right there. Yeah, see it's moving. You see? Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I truly, truly appreciate it. I hope all of you are having a wonderfully blessed day. Wearing your mask, wearing your gloves, staying at home if you possibly can, living your best life. Love all of you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.